Hello.
Hello. Hi, is this John?
Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good. Yourself?
I'm fine. My name is John Peter Beck, and I'm calling you from the Australia Gaming and Lottery Company, all right?
All right.
Did you receive any notification letter that we have sent you anytime last week informing you about you winning yourself a third place prize of $18,500,000 plus a brand new car?
It said 2 brand new cars.
Pardon?
The notice said 2 brand new cars.
Mm-hmm. You received a notification?
Yeah.
All right. How did you receive it? By a phone call or by the mail?
The bird dropped it off.
Pardon?
A penguin dropped it off.
What penguin?
Oh, one of those that fly around.
Oh. Have you ever seen a penguin that flies?